Are you looking for the 5 best mesh Wi-Fi router? In this video, we will look at some of the top best mesh Wi-Fi router on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 5. Google Nest Wi-Fi. Google Wi-Fi and home together at long last. What's better than the best mesh router? Well, a mesh router with a smart speaker, that's what. Especially if you're a smart home fiend, you will appreciate the pure genius of this upgrade in Google's Wi-Fi line. The Google Nest Wi-Fi kicks things up a notch, taking Google Wi-Fi's incredible yet simple design and performance, then merges it with the convenience of a smart speaker, so you've got a 2-in-1 device in an even sleeker and more attractive package. And if you're tired of the color white, this one also comes in mist and sand colors. As far as the best mesh Wi-Fi routers go, the original Google Wi-Fi is still the one to beat. This one just gives it that extra oomph. We love the Google Nest Wi-Fi for bringing together Google Wi-Fi and Google Home into a single product offering at long last in an even more attractive design. While it's not worth replacing your Google Wi-Fi or other mesh system with this, we'd heartily recommend this solution over most others short of Google's original mesh system. At number 4. Asus ZenWiFi AX XT8. Wi-Fi 6 meets mesh routers. With the Asus ZenWiFi AX XT8, Asus has managed to introduce Wi-Fi 6 to that other cutting-edge tech in connectivity. Mesh routers. While it is among the more expensive options out there and limits you to 2 mesh routers, the Asus ZenWiFi AX offers blazing fast speeds as well as plenty of flexibility in its setup, such as the option to set up 1 or 2 networks using the 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. With excellent security features to boot, this is a fantastic choice if you're looking at the best mesh Wi-Fi systems. It's expensive, and not everyone will need the sheer speed of Wi-Fi 6, but the new ZenWiFi AX mesh networking system provides top-of-the-range performance for streaming video, gaming, and other online activities. The Asus app also impresses with a good set of advanced controls, security features, and content filtering for parents of young children. At number 3. Netgear Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6. Superb Wi-Fi performance, sprawling mansions, and big companies have demanding network coverage needs that only the best mesh Wi-Fi systems can meet, which is why such routers as the Netgear Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6 exist. This is a powerful piece of kit, even at its most basic configuration, delivering superb Wi-Fi connection over a remarkably large area. If you want the most powerful mesh Wi-Fi, you've found it. However, it also comes at a lofty price that most households shouldn't spend. Invest, but only if it makes technical sense. Fantastic equipment that delivers superb Wi-Fi performance over a remarkably large area even with the basic kit. But the high cost of this solution would make many reconsider using it, even if it makes technical sense. At number 2. Linksys VIVELIP Wi-Fi 6 AX 4200. Smart design and speedy performance. The Linksys VIVELIP Wi-Fi 6 AX 4200 is proof that Wi-Fi 6 mesh systems can be affordable and accessible, giving big households on a budget an excellent option that still delivers admirable performance and ease of use. If you want to improve your home network speed and connectivity, this state-of-the-art mesh system is an ideal solution. That's especially if you're ready to future-proof your network with Wi-Fi 6 technology. Those who aren't as computer savvy will also appreciate that easy-to-use Linksys app. Wi-Fi 6 mesh systems are still pretty expensive, but the VIVELIP AX 4200 is competitively priced and provides admirable performance and ease of use. At number 1. Netgear Orbi Wi-Fi 6. Netgear brings Wi-Fi 6 to its Orbi mesh range. If you're ready to jump on the Wi-Fi 6 bandwagon, the Orbi Wi-Fi 6 is your best bet when it comes to getting the best mesh Wi-Fi systems. It's not by any means a casual purchase with its steep price tag, but if you're looking to upgrade to a faster and more reliable router to cover a massive space like your countryside mansion, perhaps, or your crowded smart home, then this one's absolutely worth the money. Plus, it's easy and straightforward to set up, making it great for people who don't have too much experience with Wi-Fi networks. It's early days for the new Wi-Fi 6 standard, so the Orbi Wi-Fi 6 isn't an essential purchase right now, especially at this price. But if you're looking to upgrade an existing router and need a fast, reliable mesh Wi-Fi system for your country mansion, then the Orbi 6 is absolutely state-of-the-art. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.